Welcome to the world of Guinea Fowl, where tradition meets innovation to bring you the finest poultry products.
Our journey begins in state-of-the-art facilities, designed for optimal growth and well-being of our guinea fowl from day one.
Our dedicated team ensures every chick receives the best care, guiding them through their early stages of development.
The eggs are carefully collected and transported through an intricate network of conveyor belts, ensuring each one is handled with precision.
Advanced machinery efficiently processes the birds, preparing them for the next stages of cleaning and packaging. After defeathering, the birds undergo rigorous cleaning and chilling processes to meet the highest standards of hygiene and quality.
Our expansive farm complex integrates all aspects of production, from feed mills to processing plants, ensuring complete control over quality.
The feed for our guinea fowl is carefully formulated and stored in these massive silos, ensuring a consistent and nutritious diet.
Inside the hatchery, advanced incubators maintain precise conditions, mimicking natural incubation to ensure healthy development of the eggs. The moment of hatching is a delicate process, with our chicks carefully emerging from their shells under optimal conditions.
This one isn't feeding well.
Put it in the carrier, we'll monitor it separately.
Every aspect of the chick's environment is meticulously monitored through advanced control systems, ensuring their comfort and well-being. Workers efficiently manage feed supplies, ensuring a continuous and fresh source of nutrition for the growing flock.
Automated cleaning systems maintain impeccable hygiene, ensuring a clean and healthy environment for all the birds.
This state-of-the-art facility can house hundreds of thousands of guinea fowl chicks, ensuring optimal growth from day one.
Our scientists continuously monitor growth data and environmental factors, using advanced analytics to optimize every stage of development. Fresh bedding is regularly supplied by automated systems, providing a comfortable and hygienic surface for the chicks. Powerful ventilation systems ensure optimal air quality and temperature control throughout the vast barns, crucial for the birds' health.
Maintaining strict hygiene is paramount. All equipment and surfaces are regularly cleaned and sanitized to prevent contamination. Once hatched, the chicks are quickly moved from the sterile environment to the vast grow-out barns, where they will live until maturity.
This endless aisle of automated feeders provides sustenance for the massive flock, highlighting the industrial scale of the operation.
The birds have constant access to fresh water through these efficient nipple drinking systems, promoting their health and hydration.
Large exhaust fans efficiently regulate the barn's climate, ensuring optimal temperature and air circulation for the birds.
As the day begins, the barn lights gradually illuminate, signaling feeding time for the active guinea fowl flock.
The spacious barns provide ample room for the guinea fowl to roam, promoting natural behaviors and healthy development.
Specialized machinery efficiently cleans the barn floor, ensuring a hygienic environment while minimizing disturbance to the birds. Environmental sensors continuously monitor key parameters, allowing for immediate adjustments to maintain optimal conditions for the guinea fowl.
Our dedicated staff regularly inspects the flock, ensuring every bird is healthy and thriving in its environment.
Automated feeding systems provide a consistent and balanced diet, crucial for the healthy growth and development of the guinea fowl.
The natural light filtering through the roof creates a bright and stimulating environment, contributing to the overall well-being of the flock.
Our team maintains strict biosecurity protocols, wearing protective gear to ensure the health and safety of the guinea fowl. Real-time data from environmental sensors allows for continuous adjustments, ensuring the perfect conditions for the guinea fowl at all times.
The sheer number of birds in this facility highlights the efficiency and scale of our modern poultry farming operations.
Eggs are gently transported from the laying areas to the processing lines, maintaining their integrity and freshness.
Advanced automation ensures precise sorting and stacking of eggs, minimizing human contact and maximizing efficiency.
Robotic systems carefully handle each egg, ensuring gentle placement into trays for transport and further processing.
Human oversight complements automation, with skilled workers ensuring the final quality check and careful packing of the eggs.
Once packaged, the products are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ready for distribution to markets and consumers.
Steady now, don't rush them. Okay, the gate is clear up ahead.
Live birds are carefully loaded into specialized transport vehicles, ensuring their comfort and safety during transit to processing facilities.
The journey from farm to processing begins, with trucks transporting the guinea fowl efficiently and humanely. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the birds are carefully unloaded, ready for the next stage of preparation.
The birds are humanely prepared for processing, moving through a controlled environment to ensure minimal stress.
Automated defeathering machines efficiently remove feathers, preparing the birds for thorough cleaning and inspection.
An initial water bath ensures thorough cleaning, removing any loose debris before further processing.
The defeathering process is swift and efficient, utilizing specialized equipment to prepare the birds for the next steps.
Workers meticulously clean each bird with high-pressure sprays, ensuring every surface is spotless and ready for inspection.
Wastewater from the cleaning process is efficiently channeled away, maintaining a clean and safe working environment.
Further cleaning ensures the birds are pristine, with workers performing visual checks to guarantee quality.
The processing plant operates with precision, a symphony of machinery and human expertise, working in harmony to prepare the products. Each bird is precisely weighed and sorted by automated systems, ensuring consistent product sizing and quality control.
The birds are efficiently moved along the production line, transitioning from hanging to conveyor for chilling and final preparation.
The chilling process is critical for food safety and preservation, ensuring the birds maintain their freshness and quality.
Each bird receives a final treatment, ensuring optimal temperature and hygiene before it moves to the packaging stage. Digital monitoring ensures precise temperature control and verifying pathogen status, guaranteeing the highest levels of food safety.
The chilling tunnel rapidly cools the birds, locking in freshness and extending shelf life, a crucial step in modern food production. Automated packaging machines efficiently seal each guinea fowl, protecting its quality and preparing it for distribution. Specialized cutting machines precisely portion the guinea fowl, offering convenience and variety for consumers.
The flow rate on line 3 is slightly off target.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now.
Robotic arms precisely handle packaged meat, ensuring efficient and hygienic placement into trays for further processing. The sealing process is automated, creating airtight packages that preserve the meat's quality and extend its shelf life.
Each package is precisely labeled with essential product information, ensuring traceability and consumer confidence.
An intricate system of conveyors and robotics orchestrates the movement of packaged products, optimizing flow and minimizing manual handling.
The packaged meat moves smoothly along the conveyor, a testament to the streamlined efficiency of the production line.
Workers carefully pack the finished products into boxes, ensuring proper arrangement and protection for transport. Packaged products are swiftly moved into cold storage, maintaining optimal temperatures to preserve freshness until shipment. Our extensive cold storage facilities ensure that all products are kept at ideal temperatures, ready for distribution to our customers.
Automated systems efficiently sort and package smaller cuts of meat, ensuring consistent portions and hygienic sealing.
Each individual package is meticulously labeled, providing consumers with all necessary information for their purchase.
Eggs are carefully loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ensuring they reach their destination fresh and ready for consumption.
The journey of our products continues as they leave the farm to reach various markets and homes. After each production cycle, the barns undergo a thorough cleaning and sanitization, preparing them for the next generation of guinea fowl. Meanwhile, back in the hatchery, a new batch of guinea fowl eggs is being loaded into incubators, ready to restart the cycle.
Our commitment to sustainable farming practices ensures a harmonious balance between modern agriculture and environmental stewardship.
In the supermarket, consumers can choose from a variety of high-quality guinea fowl products, knowing they come from a trusted source.
Our distinctive guinea fowl eggs are a premium choice, offering unique flavor and nutritional benefits for discerning customers.
Sign here, please, chef.
Got it. Looks fresh.
From our farm to your local store, we ensure a seamless supply chain, delivering fresh products daily.
The culmination of our efforts is a delicious and healthy meal, ready to be enjoyed by families everywhere.
Who wants the first piece of the guinea fowl?
Me, Dad. It smells amazing.
To a perfect dinner, honey.
The cycle of care continues with fresh bedding being laid, ensuring a clean and comfortable environment for the next flock.
New chicks are introduced to their spacious home, ready to begin their journey of growth and development.
The mature guinea fowl thrive in their environment, a testament to the meticulous care and advanced systems in place.
The defeathering process is a crucial step, handled by efficient machinery to prepare the birds for further processing.
The packaging line operates with precision, ensuring each product is perfectly sealed and ready for boxing. Our farm operates year-round, adapting to all seasons to ensure a continuous supply of high-quality guinea fowl products.
All right, that one's secure. Let's move down to the next panel and check the seals before the afternoon heat hits.
The central control room provides a comprehensive overview of all farm operations, allowing for real-time monitoring and management.
Our team regularly patrols the barns, ensuring the well-being of every bird and maintaining a calm environment.
The distinctive speckled shell of the guinea fowl egg is immediately recognizable. Here in the laying facility, each egg is a testament to our quality.
After processing, the equipment undergoes rigorous cleaning and sanitization, ensuring a sterile environment for future operations.
Workers meticulously clean each bird with high-pressure sprays, ensuring every surface is spotless and ready for inspection.
At peak efficiency, this line processes over 1 million units a day, highlighting the sheer scale of the operation.
As the sun sets, the farm continues its operations, a beacon of modern agriculture in the tranquil landscape.
These newly laid eggs represent the start of the production cycle, kept warm by carefully monitored heat and humidity.
Thorough cleaning of all machinery is essential, ensuring a sterile environment and preventing any cross-contamination.
Robotic systems efficiently pack the finished products into boxes, ensuring speed and accuracy in the final stages of production. Our commitment to sustainable farming practices ensures a harmonious balance between modern agriculture and environmental stewardship.
The final products are carefully inspected before being prepared for shipment, guaranteeing premium quality for our customers.
From dawn till dusk, our operations run continuously, ensuring a steady supply of quality guinea fowl products.